This is Mike from Action Home Services, and today we're going to talk about top 3 myths about heated driveway systems in Toronto. And the first one would be that costs thousands of dollars every month, which is not true. Second would be that you only can have a heated driveway on concrete, and this is also not true. And the third one would be that you don't need a heated driveway in Toronto because there is no snow. And as we know, can be a serious snowstorms in just minutes, and your whole you can have a snow like this high. So the first one would be heated driveway doesn't cost thousands of dollars a month. For a driveway like this, you can expect to pay around $200 for the winter because this system is smart and it only turns on when it needs to. So when there is no snow, the system automatically shuts off, saving you money, electricity, your heating bill. Second would be the surface where you can install a heated driveway. And this is not concrete only. You can install it on concrete, on asphalt, on interlock, or any type of pavers, as well as flagstone. The third one, that you don't need a heated driveway in Toronto. And this is not true. We also have a lot of snow events. We have freezing rains and ice buildup that can be very dangerous. And it's gonna take you hours and hours of work, unsafe work, to remove the snow buildup or ice buildup. So to eliminate the stress and have a worry-free winter, call Action Home Services and we will install a heated driveway or a heated porch or a heated backyard for you.